Alright, I'm live again. I don't know what happened. I think. Can you see the seagull? I think I even deleted my previous VOD on a mistake now. Seagull is just chilling on the engine. They're not scared. They are friends with humans. Friendly bird, yeah. Fuck, I think I deleted the VOD. Fuck. Biggest mistake of all time. Fuck. It almost shit on my engine. Alright. My gut feeling says we should fish here. My sixth sense. There's a lot of current here. Pretty deep as well, actually. The fuck was that? The bottom? Well. Yeah. Well, it's an old fish farm, it's not in use anymore. They had fish in it before, but they just abandoned it and yeah. I don't know. Fish farms don't usually take the old fish pens with them. I don't know why, but should be sued. It's not nice to have it there, and there's so much ropes under the water and stuff. And so much shit on the ocean floor. Was viewing the underwater maps around there. Pretty deep around there, southwest of the ridge. Well, I don't know where southwest of the ridge is, but maybe this is the best angle. I can read the chat now. Now I'm just right outside of the bridge, in the middle of the fjord. It's really dark for you guys. It gets very deep, very fast by that old fish farm. Yeah, it's called Astrid Holmen. I think it's like 200 meters. I don't usually fish there though, because there's so much shit on the ocean floor from the fish farm, and you get snagged. It's so frustrating. And if a big fish comes on, it can just swim into the fish farm. And all the ropes from the fish farm is there, so. Looks like a beautiful area similar to Canada where I'm from, yeah. Yeah, we get the wild Atlantic salmon here. This looks pretty dead as well. I think I need to use bait here. Spreader bar. And just put the rod in the rod holder and wait. yeah, Canada is really similar to Norway. The fishing is it's not the same because you have much more salmon and halibut, but the northern Norway is a bit the same because of the halibut population. But we don't have that much and big salmon here. Oh, we got a raid. JVDM, hello. Welcome to my stream. Thank you for the raid, man. From Spain. Hola, hola. ¿Qué pasa? No halibuts. Unlucky. Yeah, we got halibuts there, but not that much. It's like really rare here where I am. Okay. I'm gonna try a different jig now. I'll try this one. Brum brum, yeah. What were you streaming, JVDM? Hello, Mr. Tomato. I drove a bit closer to the land. I think it's much better fishery close to the land, not that far out in the fjord here. Let's see if I'm correct. It's a really big current there. Oh, fish! Oi, oi, oi! Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, I lost it. Fuck. That was a big one. So yeah, this is where the fish is. Close to the shore and at the mackerel. Oh, here comes the seagulls. Oh my god. You're following me everywhere. No pause. Just sit here. We were just chatting and talking about the sports category in Twitch, and now no one is actually streaming sports, and everyone is in talk show there. Yeah, that's weird. Yeah, because you can't really. It's not allowed to show sports. They get banned if they show sports. So the only thing they can do is talk about it. That's boring. Carp lifer, what's that? But not only sports in general. We mean a person going out with a bike, with a kayak. Oh yeah, they should be in the right category, or they can be banned, I think. But they're not that strict, I don't think. It's whatever. It's not a serious real crime, so it doesn't get prioritized that much by the algorithm, I don't think. Try to drop down a bit. Yeah, I'm streaming a sport. But I think the travel and outdoors category is fitting me more than sports. But yeah, fishing is a sport. You're correct. Sport fishing. I'm just fishing for a big fish. I just want the adrenaline and I give away all the fish I get, the big ones. I throw out the small ones though. Throw it to the seagulls. There's no mosquitoes today. Or not here at least. Maybe it's on land. Fuck, that was a good fish I lost. God damn it. Wanna check the lure. I think there's something wrong with it. The fuck was that? I think there was a mackerel here. Looks good. Yeah, bye bye JVDN. Thank you for the raid. Fuck. Okay, it's 11:22 p.m. for me. Now I'm at the spot where I caught my 12 kilograms cod last year. On this exact lure, maybe there's another big one here. Oh, fish. Small cod. See if another big fish comes after it. Fuck. Oh, this is what fish is this? Looks like a really small whiting. I didn't get it. It was a small whiting. A really small one. That means there's no big fish here if there's small fish. But I'm gonna try a bit more. There's usually no big fish if there's small ones. That means that there's nothing to be afraid of. Good for live bait. Yeah, live bait is illegal here actually. Even though we use live worms and hooks and shit, but it doesn't make any sense. But I'm never using it. I just use dead mackerel or mackerel that is a butterfly. So they make a lot of scent. Let's see, I'm just gonna put rod in the red holder. Let's see.